a pot like this can run you, even restored, a lot of money. So this one, I would say, if you find it in a mixed condition, I wouldn't hesitate to buy and have it restored. You can see on the inside when she did restore it, there's a smooth glaze that almost looks too clean. And that's something to look for in restoration pieces. You can see it's very, very smooth, where when you look at another pot that has actually a lot of crazing in it, there's a lot of discoloration and there's nothing smooth about it. So you look at the inside of this one, and then you look at the inside of here, and you can see there's been work done on this pot. So that's something to watch for when you're doing a restoration. You'll find that in a lot of these pots, the spouts will need to be restored. Minor restoration in here, easy to have done, and highly recommended to do, even when buying or selling, because it will affect the price. A lot of times you'll find the handles. Some of the handles are broken off completely, and today's restorers can actually rebuild the handles and the spouts in just about any place on the pot, so it looks identical. But the extent of the restoration does affect the price, so that's one thing to consider. So there's some, just one example of a teapot, well worth restoring, and you have a great shelf piece to put on your shelf.